Hi everyone, Amelia from the Zen of Chemistry. Just a really quick video today. I hear a lot of people say I'm really struggling to learn this concept, I'm really struggling to learn that concept. And the myth I want to dispel is that you only have your teacher and your textbook at your disposal. Now I know you know that that's not true because obviously you're sitting here watching this, but if you're struggling to learn a concept, the onus is on you to go out and learn it. So yes, it's good to have a textbook that covers all the concepts in good detail. Yes, teachers are an amazing resource, but at the end of the day, if you don't understand it, go out and find the answer. And so I didn't learn this until I was in my second year at uni. I was always this person who, I'd listen to the teachers and they'd say, if you're struggling to learn a concept, come and see me in your lunchtime or after school, and I'm very, very happy to help you. And I always listened to the teachers and went, oh yeah, that's cool, and never did it. Okay, so your teacher is perhaps your best resource that you can tap into. If they are willing to spend the time with you one-on-one, please use them, because they have a wealth of knowledge, and if they're working with you one-on-one rather than a class environment, it means that they can tailor how they're explaining something to you. So that's my first piece of advice. My second piece of advice is to actually go out there, go to libraries, use the internet and seek out the information yourself. Why do you do this? Well, you've read your textbook and you're still going, don't know, I still don't get it. You've been in class, your teacher's explained it, you've tried to do some questions, you're still going, still don't get it, right? So what you need to do is, the first thing I would recommend is Google it, right? And we all know that you have to be a bit careful about the information you get off Google, but what I'd recommend to you is that you actually go and read lots of different definitions of the topic that you're trying to understand, because one of them is ultimately going to help you out. But you've really got to seek out that one explanation that just really clicks with the way that you learn. Another resource which you might not know about, usually local universities allow outside people to borrow books from their libraries. But what you can do is, if you get permission to use their library, you can actually go and read their high-level textbooks. And sometimes those high-level textbooks, again, just like your online resources, will explain what you need to learn in just the right way so that you understand. So they're probably my three top resources: your teacher, your local library, and online resources. And I'm one of these old people. I grew up in high school and university. I mean, when I was in third year university, Google was just sort of really blossoming. So we didn't have these kinds of technologies available to us, and that makes me sound really old. But the online world is such an awesome resource that you can tap into and help you in your learning. So to finish that off, the last resource that I want to talk about is actually one of mine. So currently I'm building an online resource. It's called the Zen of Chemistry Online Learning Academy. And essentially what you can do is access my resources. There is a small fee for those resources, but essentially there's lecture materials, there's slides that you can download, there are worksheets that you can do, and each worksheet I'm trying to, for every question, have a worked example, so that you, if you're doing the question, you're still struggling with it, you can actually watch the worked example video so that you can actually follow along, see how you might do that particular question, and then go away and do it yourself. So that's something I'm working on at the moment. I'm really excited to launch it very soon. If you'd like to know more, you can go to zenofchemistry.com, and if you click on the online learning section there, you can either sign up to my mailing list and you'll hear about it on there, or you can actually go to my online learning site and sign up for my free resources. So currently I've got one up there for year 12s. There's nothing on there at the moment, but I'm going to release something within the next couple of days. So if you're in year 12, you might want to go and sign up for it right now. And I'm going to launch the year 11 one very, very shortly. So again, it's just another resource that you can use to help you in your learning. And what, you know, the crux of the Zen of Chemistry is to make it as simple as possible for you. So, and also as affordable as possible. So that while there is a small fee for what I do, I think the value that comes out of that is really, really high. So, yeah, please share this information with your friends. If you found this video useful, please give it a like down the bottom there. My name is Amelia from the Zen of Chemistry, and it's www.zenofchemistry.com. I'll see you next time.